melted 1 cup of butter. So again, same thing, 15 seconds interval. So 15 seconds and stir it, and then do another 15 seconds, and then until you get a good liquidy, okay, liquid butter. So in here, we'll be adding sugar. But again, as I'm making a baking for my little ones, I don't put lots of sugar. I usually put half of what is required. So I will be using a half cup of white sugar and half cup of brown sugar. Okay. Sugar. Brown sugar. So you can start stirring it. And this is called, you know, what is this called? Wooden
spoon.
Yes. Half cup, but I want to use a little bit less than a half cup for them. So for that, a half cup. And I'll be using half cup of brown sugar as well.
That's all the same time. Smells more sweeter.
Okay, stir, stir, stir. A teaspoon of salt.
Teaspoon of salt. That's a little bit more. Vanilla extra. Again. Smells good.
Smells like vanilla. And 2 eggs.
Again.
So as I'm using whole wheat again, whole wheat flour, I will not be sifting this. So 2 and then a 1/4 cup. So this is a 1 cup measure that I put it inside of my container, flour container. So make sure you guys let it off to get an exact measurement. So 1 cup. What's after 1? No 1. 2. And we need a 1/4. That's what is the name? A 1/4. 1/4. Stop. Noah, 잠깐 stop. Noah, no. Oopsie. Okay, good. So flour, baking soda, and I already put sugar, and then salt is there. So I'm gonna mix it for you. Okay, 1 cup. 잠깐만. So this is the batter for the chocolate chip cookies. Now, you know, what is this?
Baking sheet.
Okay, so I will be lining up with a parchment paper here. And if you have an ice cream scoop, you can use a scoop to make the same size of the cookies. Or you can just do like what I'm doing here.
Like that?
This will be a really good one. And make sure you guys put the dough about 2 inches apart, so when it rises and then when it expands, you have some space in between so that your cookies do not stick together. Thank you, Nora, for helping. Sure. Next one.
Hold on this.
Yuna, it's Yuna's turn. Yuna.
That's a very good. It's like cookie.
Okay. I'm just gonna tap it a little bit, pop it down. And I'll put this one into the oven. Okay, welcome back. So I finished baking chocolate chip cookies here. So it's been in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, we'll be cooling in a cooling rack, on a cooling rack.
It has holes.
So it's a soft, chewy chocolate chip cookies with not much sugar. So lots of chocolate chips, right? Yummy.
I don't eat that red one.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.